Group conversation with a client in messages. Effortlessly manage communication with messages tailored to your needs. Use internal messages for team collaboration, visible only to your staff, and client-visible messages to keep everyone on the same page. Sometimes several of your team members are assigned to a client, and in cases where more than one team member needs to interact with them, it can be done in a simple and streamlined manner. It is possible for all of them to talk within the same chat thread with the client and keep the conversation focused instead of splitting it into multiple threads for each team member. I'm going to show you what that will look like when I create a new chat thread through my pipeline's automations, since that is a common occurrence. So I'll drag one of these jobs into a stage that has message automation, and then I'll make sure not to uncheck the box next to it in this menu before proceeding. Now, if I check the linked elements in this job, I will see a new message here. If I click on it, it will redirect me to the Client Accounts Messages tab, or more precisely, this specific chat thread. Despite me being logged in as the firm owner right now, you can see that the message created through the automation has been sent by one of my team members. This is because every message template needs to have a sender selected. In this case, I chose my tax preparer as the sender in the message template that was used in the stage that I moved the job into. However, both I and any other team member that has access to this account can send messages in this chat thread as well. Additionally, if you need to address another team member, you can mention them directly inside the chat. After you do so, they will receive both an email and an Inbox Plus notification about it. Therefore, regardless of who initiated the conversation, anyone with account access can reply. This is also a great way to show your clients that your firm works as a team on their job. To know if the team member or client read the message, just look for the check marks at the bottom. Gray means that it hasn't been read yet, and green means that they already read it. This messages previously shown will be available for your clients to see, but note that you can send messages that are visible only to team members, keeping them hidden from clients. To mark a message as internal, toggle the corresponding option in the editor's window. Internal messages stand out with an orange color, while client-visible messages are displayed in blue. For efficient collaboration, use @_ mentions in internal messages to notify specific colleagues. This ensures they are promptly alerted and can work together effortlessly. Note that you can use @_ mentions in internal messages to ensure your colleagues are notified and can contribute effectively.